How to check debit card balance online. In order to check debit card balance, go to the official website of your bank. Log into your account. Or you can download your bank's mobile application. Visit any ATM near you, since all ATMs are linked to the financial system and your debit card is linked to your checking account. Simply put your card in the machine, enter your PIN, and select the option to check your balance. Every month, your bank sends you a statement that details all of the transactions for your account. You can check your bank statements. You can call your bank's customer service line. You can visit your bank and ask a teller about your balance. That's it. Thanks for watching.